This is just a quick short demonstration on how the new Sexed Semen options will now operate in the Sire Advice program. Click on Applications and then click on Sire Advice. This will carry you into the Sire Advice landing page. I can now click on Start here, just under Sire Advice Plus to begin. If you're planning on using Sexed Semen this breeding season, click on Yes, then click on the mating start date. Click on Yes, then to continue. Here you will see new filter options. So for example, I can just focus on cows or females that took no more than one serve last year to go on calf. I also want to focus on animals in this new health events filter that had no health issues of any description last year recorded. Obviously I want to focus on my best EBI animals. I heard these are typically my heifers. I can now tick these off for sexed and default, as you can see here. And I can also continue and use the existing options and mark for culling, poor performers, lay calves, or beef perhaps, and the selected mating option and the crossbreeding option is available as well for maximising hydrosis. So that's just a quick overview there of the new options, and I can click Enabled here, and this will generate both dairy and beef mating now, as well as part of the overall program. I will now click on Next to show how the new Sexed Semen bulls can be identified. So if I just simply click on Sexed here, I can click Unclick or Tick, and this simply removes the conventional bulls now. So we can just focus in on these Sexed Semen bulls now. I can now simply go ahead and select these bulls to be used on, by sexed cows. Cows are identified for cows at the beginning, and I can also identify Sexed Semen bulls to be used on heifers as well. Now click Save Changes there, for example. I can now continue the same here in terms of my default cows and default heifers. And again, as I had females listed for crossbreeding, I can now select crossbred bulls for those as well. And at this stage here, I'd like to point out the beef bulls. By clicking on beef there, you can select your chosen breed, ale company, for example, and obviously you can filter the filter here to DBIs of possibly €100 or more, for example, and with a good beef subindex there, maybe minimum of maybe €70 or €80 there, for example, there, and pick bulls accordingly. The rest of the steps along Sire Advice remain the same as you're all familiar with. Thank you, and please check out the new Sexed Semen options here if you do plan on using Sexed Semen this breeding season.